Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. I'm Tanisha and this is Twin Mom on a Budget, where double the love meets financial freedom. Join me on this incredible journey as I navigate the twin mom life while conquering debt one step at a time. From budgeting hacks to cash stuffing to tackling my debt, I'm here to share my experience and hopefully inspire others to crush their financial goals. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Hi, guys. Welcome back. We are here for another cash planning. I am still sick, unfortunately, but I am pushing through. It's mostly just congestion, so we're gonna keep on going. So I can't believe I'm even saying this, but we are cash planning for the first week of November. October just flew by. I feel like it went so fast. I still haven't fully digested that the twins are now 2 years old, which is insane. Um, I just keep looking at baby pictures of them when I brought them home, and I just can't believe like they're so grown. And I just noticed, guys, I'm missing my wallet. Hold on one second. Okay, now we are whole. I was looking and I'm like, I'm missing something. Okay, let's get started. I am a little short on time today, but let's go ahead and get started with our cash planning. We are cash planning for $923 this week, and it was more than I was expected, but I will talk about that in a little bit. Okay, so dining out is getting its normal $20, and that's 2 tens. Essentials is empty. And I still haven't even gotten to Costco to get my toilet paper and paper towels, but it was just so many things were needed this week and still need more. So let's do 25 in essentials, so a 5 and a 20. Groceries is getting what's normal 175, so a 5, a 20, and 3 50s. Nails, nothing. Spending is getting 10. And then twins is also getting $10 this week. Okay, and that's everything from my wallet. I do have some receipts in here that I'll pull out at the end of the week when I reset my binder that I'll scan to my Fetch app. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I do use a rewards app called Fetch where it's a free app where you scan a receipt and you get points and you can turn those points in for a variety of gift cards. So I'll leave my code up here. So if you're not already signed up, you can use my code and you can get bonus points when you scan in your first receipt. Okay, so starting with 923, let's see where we are. Okay, so we have 683 remaining. All right, next up is my bills binder, which is completely empty because we took the money back to the bank for the bills for November. And so let's start with Atmos. Atmos is going to get 30, so a 10 and a 20. Car insurance. This is going to get 45, so a 5 and 2 20s. How's everyone's week going? Hopefully everyone's having a great week. We've still been hot, but it's actually we're supposed to get some rain, but it's been really, really windy here. So I think that's just making me feel even worse because all the dirt and stuff is flying in the air. So CoServe, we're doing 55. I still don't know what my new budget amount will be. I may get it today or tomorrow. So let's do a 5 and a 50. So I may have to, just depending, I may have to add some more to my bill money that's in my account now for no, because those are for November's bills. So I may have to add some more to that. We'll see. Monthly subs is getting 25. So 5 and a 20. Spectrum, this is getting 15. So a 5 and a 10. T-Mobile is getting 60. I still have not called yet. I need to. Just have not been feeling good. So all I want to do is rest, y'all. Trash and water is getting 30. Let's do a 10 and a 20. And then Vivint is going to get 13. So those are all my bills on my bill binder. Let's see where we are. So we still have $410 left. Now, for anyone new to my channel, oops, oh gosh. For anyone new to my channel, I do stuff my bills because I used my money. I got a very large bonus check this year, and which was such a blessing. So I used the money from there to get a month ahead on most of my bills, with the exception of my rent. I'm not a month ahead on that, so I do not stuff that. But all of my other monthly bills that come out, I do stuff for those. Okay. I could not stuff my bills before I did that. So if you're looking into cash stuffing, that would be my recommendation, is to just wait until you're a month ahead if possible. And try, you can get a month ahead on just some of the smaller ones. It makes such a difference, I will say, being a month ahead on your bills. It's just a level of stress taken off. Annual subs is getting $5. And car maintenance, we have not stuffed this in a little bit. I want to put something in here. Is going to get 25. I will increase this probably by the beginning of next year, so we can make sure we have what's needed to pay off my Goodyear card, which has 0% interest that I use to get my tires. Diapers is getting 25. Groceries, this is my grocery buffer. So if I am over in my grocery budget, or I had to use this, I'm a semi-monthly and paid employee. So sometimes there's larger gaps between my pay periods. It may be 18 days between a paycheck. So when that happened, I just used my grocery buffer. I had enough in here for a week of my grocery budget, and I used that to stuff. So, but this is most like a buffer, but it can be for those instances as well. So grocery buffer is getting $10. So we're trying to refill this back up slowly but surely. Household is getting 10. I still need a lot of stuff. It's like we're running out of everything at the same time. I'm like, oh, we need detergent. The twins need detergent. So much. Next up, we're going to add the last $10 to our miscellaneous. This is for any unexpected bills. So this is great to have. I try to keep 200 in here. And I need to update my trackers. I think I did in my bills one, but not my other ones. Hygiene is getting 5. And then toll tag. Yes, I need to fill up my toll tag. It's getting $10. Okay, and that's everything for my high priority sinking funds. So let's see where we are. $310. Okay, we have $310. Sorry about the guys. I had to pull my nose. Okay, next up is my low priority sinking funds. And we're going to go to Costco. And Costco is going to get 25. I really do need to make a run to Costco. I'm telling you, when you don't feel good, you just don't have energy to even do basic things. Like I've washed clothes, of course, but they're not folded. Family Fund is getting $10. We have not stuffed this in a while because we've mostly been using money from like the holidays. Um, Fitness is getting 30 because I need to re-up on my protein shakes. And next up is health. Definitely need to build this $5 for health. Just this time of year is just so bad. Nails is getting 40, and that's 220s. And then hope you guys can still see. Yeah. Noah Savings is getting 10. And Naraya is also getting 10. And here we go. So the additional money. I want to thank Budget with Lena. She was so sweet and sent me some money to add to for the twins' birthday. So I'm so excited. So I'm taking that money to put into their sinking funds this week. So I'm adding that into their sinking funds. So twins is getting 40. So do 220s, which is so sweet. Unfortunately, because we were sick, we could not do the second part of their birthday with their siblings. They were going to come over and go to do cake and pizza, but since we were sick, we had to postpone it. So definitely will be doing that, but that will definitely be going for them to go back into the store and find some more things that they like because they really truly enjoyed it. So 140 is left in my money. I don't know if that's right. Is that right? I think so. I think so, y'all. Okay. Um, oh, you know what? Hold on one second. Okay. I didn't think that looked right. And I'm glad I double checked. Um, our special occasions binder. I almost forgot my 2 envelopes. Sometimes when I'm writing, I'm trying to do it so fast because I do all of this in Excel, but to plan and make sure and get my denominations, the number that I'm going to the bank with. But I like to write it on paper. This is what I use to actually cash stuff. And sometimes when I'm transferring over from Excel to paper, I sometimes mess up. Okay, so birthday. This is getting 10. We'll just do a $10 bill. And then gifts is getting 5. And that's a $5 bill. Okay. So that's what I was expecting. 125. Okay. And that is all going toward my savings challenges. And want to let you guys know I added a savings challenge in here because I completely forgot I was supposed to add it when I finished the one from Paychecks and Prayers. I meant to add this one in and completely forgot. So I went ahead. It's a scratch off, so I went ahead and scratched it off camera, but it will be added. And let me go to the back of the page because we have quite a few savings challenges. And please excuse the back. I was in a rush and messed up. Okay, so mystery ball savings challenge. This is from Budget with Maddie. It's a $75 savings challenge and it's getting $10. Oh, yeah, I forgot to even write my denominations. Oh, my goodness. Hold on. Told y'all I was in a rush. Okay. Our Penguins Savings Challenge from Low at Soft Life Budgeting. We owe it $8. We scratched that off last week. So 3 ones and a 5. This is the new one. It's called Winter Reindeer. This is also from Low at Soft Life Budgeting. And I scratched off a 5. This is so cute. Okay. Another one from Low, hot cocoa and Christmas movies. We scratched off 2 last week and got 18. So that's 3 ones, a 5, and a 10. And we're going to add our last $10 to our sweet savings challenge from Paychecks and Prayers. This is going to save, I made each a little cute candy corns, $2 for a total saved of 60. And then our Thanksgiving dinner is getting 15. We'll do the cupcake, assuming that's a pumpkin spice cupcake. $15, and that'll be a 5 and a 10. And then we're going to add in our last $12 to Ivory Fall. There'll be 2 ones and a 10. I did do some condensing off camera of my savings challenges. I didn't have enough to condense down in my other sinking funds, so I didn't feel like it was going to be a worthwhile video to make a condensing for just my savings challenges. But I just want to let you guys know, because since I will be using a lot of them for my trip coming up for Thanksgiving, it would be easier if I can get those condensed down. So let's see where we are. Okay, 47 is left. And that 47 is going to go into my 26-week savings challenge from Budgeting with Chloe. And we are going to be finishing weeks 23 and 24. So that's $47. That's 2 ones, a 5, and then 2 20s. And then my plan is to finish up this last envelope next week, because this is going to save me $365. And this will be also going towards my trip, my road trip with the twins. So, oh, and let me tell you guys, they got some cute little tablets. They're so adorable and they love them. They still have to work on using them, but there's a lot of like kids STEM games on there. So I was like, my friend was so thoughtful. She was like, I figured this could be good for them to have, like, during times on the road trip. And I was like, oh, that's so, so sweet and so thoughtful. So I'm so thankful. And yes, we did add our last 47. So we finished it out right, guys. Thank you again so much for joining me. Thank you so much for all my subscribers. I think we're over 930 when I'm filming this. And I'm just so, so thankful all of you are continuing to join in, watch, commenting, subscribing to my channel, and kind of joining me on this journey of budgeting, debt payoff as a single mom of twins. And now we're into this beautiful, beautiful toddler 2-year-old phase. So we'll see how this goes. But I'm just so, so blessed and so, so thankful for all of you supporting me as I go through this. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And until next time, guys, bye.